Alright, this is Loner 420 from Loner 420 House. Gonna light up again. November 4th, Tuesday, here on Vancouver Island. Lighting up. Glad the time went back an hour, or up an hour, either way, but the sun's out. And here we are, outside, doing the dog walk. The leaves are starting to fall, change color. Yep, it's all beautiful out here. Don't really need a jacket, only out in the sun. Come on, Genghis. Let's go, boy. Yeah, here I am, just out in nowhere land there, nice and quiet, out with the dog, doing my 420 here on Vancouver Island, BC, Canada. Give you a little view as to where I'm, doing my hikes. Right now, Genghis is in the woods over here. Come on, Genghis. Let's go, boy. There he is. Yeah, we trail down here. Or, there's another roadway here. Off to the bush. Way down there. Again, happy 420. So yeah, just doing my hikes twice a day. So I figure I might as well, time it for 420. All right, Loner 420 from Loner 420 House, signing out. Peace.